Guaranteed benefit ba ang hanap mo? Well, let me introduce to you our Sun Life traditional product, Sun Smarter Life Elite. Let's have a quick review about this product. Sun Smarter Life Elite lets you enjoy these benefits. Number 1, 200% of the face amount. Number 2, lifetime guaranteed cash benefits. Number 3, live-in benefits. And number 4, flexible premium payments. Okay, let's start. So, unang-una, meron itong life insurance coverage na 200% of the face amount. Example, if you have 500,000 pesos face amount, you have a 1 million pesos life insurance coverage up to age 100. Let me repeat, life insurance coverage up to age 100. Number 2, lifetime guaranteed cash benefit. Take note of the first two words. Lifetime, ibig sabihin habang buhay, at guaranteed, garantisado. Let me show this illustration to you based on 0 age male child insured, 4.20% accumulation rate, 500,000 face amount. Take note that the endowment benefit ng ating Sun Smarter Life Elite ay 8% ng ating basic face amount. So, 500,000 times 8% is equal to 40,000 endowment benefit payouts every other year. So, mag-start siya at the end of 6th year ng policy ni client. So, dahil ang ating insured ay 0 age pa lang, mag-start ang kanyang endowment benefit at the age of 6 and to follow at the age of 8 every other year hanggang age 100. So, 40,000 yan. Guaranteed na ibibigay sa kanya palagi. Pero napansin nyo, meron dito sa gilid na accumulation or accumulated amount. Ang ibig sabihin yan, kung hindi man niya kunin kay Sun Life yung 40,000 niya, yung 40,000 niya ay mag-earn pa at magiging 83,431 at the age of 8 years old. Bakit naging ganon? Kasi nag-earn siya ng ating accumulation rate ng 4.20%. So, at the age of 10, magiging 130,586. At the age of 12, magiging 181,785. At the age of 14, 237,376. And up to age 100, kung hindi man niya nga gagalawin, magiging 23,747,016 pesos. Let's proceed to the living benefits or non-guaranteed benefits. Ito yung dividends, which is based on company performance and not guaranteed, pero you can accumulate or you can receive it in cash. Pangalawa is the cash value, which is pwede kang mag-loan with minimum interest per annum. At ang susunod, the portion of the face amount will be given to the life to be insured if diagnosed to be terminally ill. At dahil hindi na tayo pahihirapan sa Sun Life sa pagbabayad ng ating mga premiums, meron siyang flexible premium payments. So, meron tayong tatlong pagpipilian, annual, semi-annual, and the minimum is quarterly. Etong monthly kasi, available lang siya through auto-debit or auto-charge since ang ating policy, the Sun Smarter Life Elite, ay traditional product. Pero bago kayo makapag-apply ng monthly payment, kailangan nyo munang makomplete ang quarterly payment at the inception of the policy before you can apply to monthly payment. And of course, syempre dapat settled ng policy noon. Bukod sa mga nabanggit na benefits, meron pa tayong additional riders or supplementary benefits na pwedeng i-attach sa ating Sun Smarter Life Elite product plan. Number 1, the total disability benefit. Number 2, the accidental death benefit. Number 3, the CIB or critical illness benefit. Number 4, HIB or hospital income benefit. Number 5, WPD or WTDD waiver of premium. Itong waiver of premium is available lang kapag ang ating insured ay minor at meron siyang initial owner. Dahil advance nga kami mag-isip, alam namin tatanungin ninyo kung hanggang kailan nga naman ito pwedeng bayaran. Meron tayong tatlong paraan kung gaano nga ba katagal nating babayaran si SunSmarter Life Elite. So, pwede mo siyang bayaran ng 5 years lang, 10 years, or regular pay. Pero sa regular pay natin, whole life mo siyang babayaran. Pero, meron ka namang chance na magbayad lang ng mas maikli sa whole life if hindi mo ginagalaw ang iyong accumulated dividends at accumulated endowment benefits dahil ito ay pwede rin ipang-cover sa babayaran mo sa regular pay. At siya na nga nagtatapos ang ating quick product review about SunSmarter Life Elite. You may reach out through my email flash on the screen or any Sun Life financial advisor for more information. Thank you and have a bright day!